Hey everyone, I'm Daniel Barry from exoticcartrader.com, and today I'm going to show you around our 2001 Ferrari 360 Spider F1 edition. This car is in immaculate condition. You'd think by the timeless design, the immaculate paint job and everything else that it would be a 2018 or 19 car. This car's only got 14,000 miles on it. It's got a full clear bra up front, which protects the paint from any rock chips or anything like that. I've been around the car and it's insane how clean of a paint job it has on it. You don't find that too often with these cars in this era. It was actually just serviced, so the transmission has then gone through and serviced at Ferrari. So driving it is just like it was in 2001 when it rolled off the lot. If you want to come around the side here, like I mentioned, the timeless design of the shape, you could tell it's a Ferrari from any angle, but my favorite is actually the interior. This right here has the upgraded Daytona seats. So not only are they very stylish and sporty, but they're extremely comfortable and they offer a ton of space. So you don't have carbon fiber style bucket seats where they're hugging you too hard. You have a lot of space where you can relax. Actually drive this car on a long road trip if you wanted to. And everything's very simple to use. It's a very sports enthusiast style interior. I'm gonna go ahead and start it up for you guys just so you can hear this V8 motor. So as you can hear, this Italian masterpiece is packing a lot of power. 400 horsepower for this time was an insane amount of power, and even today it holds up to modern standards, and it sure feels like it when you're going down the open road. The paddle shifters allow you to kind of go in and out of traffic, hit the RPM that you want to hear those exhaust notes and get the power that you're looking to feel. Overall, I can't tell you how beautiful of an example this car is for a 2001. And if you want to see more of it, check us out at exoticcartrader.com or call me here at Exotic Car Trader, ask for Daniel, and I'll be happy to give you anything else you need.